Everyone, this is Nafisa, and today we are going to do an artwork for the holidays, a turkey using thumbprint. I have over here some samples where I put the thumbprint and then kind of drew some characters, mostly animals. Here's a bird. Here are some penguins. So let's go ahead. First, few things that we need would be a watercolor paper, some watercolors. I've already got some black and gray going on here, a brush, a fine point Sharpie to draw, and a few markers, red, yellow, and orange for the beak and the feet. So let's go ahead. First, I'm gonna take white and black, make some gray. And put it on a thumb. I need a little bit darker gray. Paint your thumb with it. Let me turn this around so it comes a little bit like that. So all I need is one thumbprint, and then we're gonna go ahead and draw the turkey with our Sharpie. You can certainly go ahead and just whatever leftover paint you have on your thumb, just kind of wipe it out. Later that will become a part of our ground. Okay, so now my thumb is all dry. So that is the feather for the turkey. So I'm gonna go ahead and maybe draw some line around it. Add the feet, and of course we want all the feathers around it. Now I'm gonna start coloring. Color the beak yellow. And gonna have orange on the feet. That is all the coloring I want. I'm just gonna keep everything else black and white, and Now I'm gonna go ahead and add some ground there. So and that is about it. That is the turkey with the thumbprint. You can draw many other animals using thumbprints. I hope you have fun drawing these.